Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo for email marketing and dropshipping step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Klaviyo account or create a new account at klaviyo.com. Once logged in, click on the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. In the Integrations page, search for Shopify in the available platforms. Select the Shopify integration from the list. Click on the Add Integration button. You will be prompted to connect your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account and grant Klaviyo the necessary permissions. After connecting, return to the Klaviyo dashboard. Next, navigate to the List and Segments section in the left sidebar. Click Create List to start building your email list. Next, go to the Forms option in the dashboard. Click on Create Sign-up Form. Select between a pop-up form or an Customize the design of your sign-up form to match your branding. Include a compelling call to action for better conversion. Once satisfied with the form, save and publish it. Return to the dashboard and go to the Flows section. Click on Create Flow to automate your email marketing campaigns. Choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch. For a welcome series, select the appropriate template. Customize the emails with your branding and messaging. Set the timing for each email in the series for optimal engagement. After configuring your flow, click Publish. Now, go to the Campaigns, click on Create Campaign and select your audience. Design your email using Klaviyo's drag and drop editor. Incorporate product recommendations related to your dropshipping items. Review the campaign for any errors or adjustments. Finally, schedule or send your campaign immediately. Monitor the performance of your emails in the Analytics section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.